Hi everyone, welcome to Anything Blockchain. In this video, I will be talking about how we can solve incompatible node version when trying to install your package dependency as you work, both as a front-end dev or as a back-end dev. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and like our videos. Please also send our links to your friends and to your dev communities. This will help us to continue doing what we're doing. Now, assuming you're working on a particular project or you were making a particular installation and you are greeted with this message here, you can see here, error. Arcturus Lab open login. The engine node is incompatible with the model. Expected version is version 16.18 and we got version 16.15. So you can see that this one is lower, a lower version, but they needed anything greater than 16.18. How do you solve this incompatible node version? We're going to do that right now. So the best way to do is to open your terminal and make sure you have your NVM installed. That's Node Version Manager. If it is not installed or you don't know how to install it, you can say I have a Node Version Manager installed. Then I have to put on this code NVM install this particular version. Now the version we already had is version 15.1. I had to go through node version and find out the highest version for node 16 is version 20.1. So instead of going for 18, let me go for the highest under version 16, the highest version, to enable me not to fall into any other issues when it comes to node version 16. So once you do that, you tap your install, and that is it. The installation takes place, and after this installation, the specific node version, now this version 16.20.1 will be installed, and you will be able to do what? To make use of it. So you can now see I've checked my node version. My node version now is version 16.20.1 as opposed to version 16.15 I had initially. So if you like this video, please share it, like it, comment on it, and let people know what we are doing. See you in the next video. Sorry if you don't know how to install Node Version Manager NVM. Please let us know in the comment section so that we can do a video how you can install Node Version Manager. It's a good way to use various versions of Node in different projects, and you're able to coordinate those versions effectively and efficiently. Thank you, and see you in the next video.